Okay, so we're moving into functions, and there are a few different types of functions that we need to know of. Some are a little bit more important than others. Starting with the Mac Daddy of all functions that you first learn as our linear function. A linear function is a line. It's pretty easy to remember what type of function that is. And it's notated by the function of x is equal to x. So whatever you plug into x, you're going to get some value for y. That's what this means. And so it's a constant rate of change. All right, the next type is this U shape. This is the trademark of a quadratic. Quadratic function is the y value is equal to x value squared. And so the key here is the little 2. And so quadratic U shape. Okay, exponential growth is an exponential function. And basically the idea is this is a ramping up. If you ever heard the phrase ramping up, it creates a ramp shape. And it's growing because as we go from left to right, it's going up. So the y value increases faster and faster and faster because the base of this function is greater than 1 and the exponent is an x. So it's an exponential function because the exponent is an x, and it's a exponential growth because the base is bigger than 1. All right, exponential decay, same thing, except now we're going, as we go from left to right, we're going down, and so the exponent is an x, that's why it's an exponential function. But in this case, 1/2 that is less than 1, that's what causes it to decay. That's what's making it go down from left to right. All right, next we have an absolute value function. This trademark is this V shape. Basically, it reflects, and this, it's a constant rate of change on either side of this vertex, this value that's in the middle. And so that's the trademark of absolute value. Here's your bars. And those are the big ones. Those are the 5 big ones. These next 3, we just simply have to know what they look like. You don't actually have to do anything with it. It's a square root function. Square root function is this little shape here. It's like if a parabola fell on its side and the bottom half got cut off. Cubic function looks like this. It's like a sideways S. Sort of like a parabola, but its left side is inverted. And then finally we've got a cube root. A cube root is sort of like a square root. This part right here is like the square root, but it's flipped over and inverted on the other side as well.